Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming eligibility for Net UGC 2024. This avoids wasted time later. Once done, gather all required scans, photo, signature, degree, ID, and category proof, because uploads must match exact specs. Next, create your NTA account and verify email/phone. Make sure OTPs arrive and save credentials. Finally, choose a payment method and have card or UPI ready. Early payment prevents last-minute site timeouts and keeps your preferred exam city options available. Now you fill the application form carefully. Enter personal data exactly as on your ID so certificates match. Small mismatches cause rejection. Then select your subject code, preferred exam cities in order, and paper medium. Pick options based on strengths and logistics. After that, upload photos and documents using the specified size and format, preview each upload, and correct misalignments. Once everything looks right, save the draft. This prevents loss and lets you review before moving to payment. Proceed to payment and complete the transaction. You must keep the receipt and transaction ID as proof. Once paid, download and print the confirmation page. This is your primary proof of successful application. Then review every field one final time to ensure accuracy. If something goes wrong, first check file sizes, formats, and browser compatibility. Retry with Chrome or Firefox, clear cache, or use a different device. If issues persist, contact NTA support immediately and document error messages for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.